Narrator voice. Did you know? Weak brakes are one of the biggest reasons for bike accidents. Today, I'll show you how to make your bike brakes stronger, at home. Hey everyone, welcome back to Daughter Star Fix. If your bike's brakes feel weak or slow, don't worry, here's how you can fix them in a few easy steps. First, look at your brake pads. If they're worn out, they won't grip properly. Solution: replace them with good quality pads. This instantly improves brake power. Dirty or oily rotors or rims reduce friction. Use a clean cloth and rubbing alcohol to wipe them. Never use oil-based cleaners. Loose cables make brakes feel soft. Fix: adjust the tension using the barrel adjuster or at the brake caliper. Make sure the brake engages quickly when you pull the lever. If your brake levers or calipers feel sticky, apply a drop of bike lubricant at the moving parts, but not on the pads or rotors. For long-term performance, upgrade to better brake pads, levers, or even a disc brake system if your bike supports it. Bonus tip: practice braking technique. Always apply both brakes evenly and avoid sudden full force unless it's an emergency. That's it. Your brakes should now feel way stronger and safer. Which bike do you ride? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more repair tips.